two business service heavyweights, so when it comes to launching your company, who actually has your back? On the left, Northwest Registered Agent, the privacy-focused compliance pros, and on the right, Rocket Lawyer, the go-to for affordable legal services anywhere. Let's skip the slogans and look at what matters for your business. We'll tally up points across key categories so you'll know exactly who wins where. The final verdict for 2025 might surprise you. Alright, let's map this out. We'll pit these two on price, service range, privacy and security, customer service, track record and reputation, and refund policy. Every single aspect that could make or break your business setup, boom, all in one mind map. Ready? Let's go category by category. First off, we gotta talk about price. So Northwest Registered Agent, honestly, it's kinda refreshing. Simple flat $39 for LLC formation plus whatever your state fees are. Registered Agent, $125 a year. No weird upsells, and you even get renewal discounts after year one. Pretty straightforward. On the flip side, Rocket Lawyer rolls LLC formation into their membership. That's $39.99 a month or $239.99 a year, which can be cool if you're hungry for all their documents and extras. But if you just want the basics, standalone formation starts at a pricier $99.99 plus add-ons. Registered Agent, $149.99 yearly, so a bit steeper. Ongoing costs kind of pile up if you keep using their features. So yeah, in price, Northwest honestly takes it. Now, service range. So Northwest, they know their game. Formation, Registered Agent, all the compliance nitty-gritty, national coverage, wholesale services if you need them, but they don't really stretch into legal or tax stuff much. Rocket Lawyer though? Oh, and here's something cool, they do just about everything. Contracts, NDAs, chatting with an attorney, plus tax prep and estate planning. Basically, if it involves legal paperwork, RL probably has your back. Privacy protection is less of a focus, true, but for overall range, gotta give Rocket Lawyer the edge. Privacy and security, this one gets interesting. Northwest seriously prioritizes your privacy. They'll use their address for public filings so you're not getting random mail or having your info out there. No shady data selling, no big upcharges, only catch, not BBB accredited, but that aside, super safe. Rocket Lawyer, good for document security, sure, but privacy isn't really their main deal. Sometimes, personal info winds up on public filings. If privacy's a deal breaker for you, you know where to go. This one, no contest, leans hard Northwest. Oh, and here's a fun fact you probably didn't know. Northwest Registered Agent is actually one of the only services out there that doesn't sell or share your data. Like zero upselling, no sketchy stuff. That's a big deal in business privacy. Let's talk customer service. Northwest is honestly famous for their responsive human support. They even call their team corporate guides, no robots, just real people. Customer feedback, super positive overall. You might see fewer online reviews just because they're not giant like Rocket Lawyer, but the reputation is golden. Rocket Lawyer, on their side, does give you attorney access with your membership. Hello, real legal advice. Chat, phone, email, all there, but sometimes reviews show people aren't totally wowed by their service. So if you like human help, Northwest takes this one. On to track record and reputation. Northwest's been around since 1998, helped millions, yep, millions, but honestly they fly under the radar online, fewer reviews. Rocket Lawyer, way bigger name. Founded in 2008, nearly 30 million users, tons of visibility. If you want a brand you recognize, Rocket Lawyer's got that celebrity status. So for track record and reputation, Rocket Lawyer edges out. Refund policy, and this is quick. Northwest gives you a 90-day refund window. That's actually super generous. Rocket Lawyer only gives you 30 days, so if you're worried about changing your mind or things not fitting right, Northwest lets you breathe a little. Easy win here. If you throw all the scores onto a radar chart, you'll spot something quick. Northwest hammers price, privacy, refunds, and customer care, while Rocket Lawyer shines in wide service range and reputation. It's like different strengths, totally depending on what you need most. So here's my honest take. If you want no-nonsense privacy, compliance, and super clear business filings, Northwest Registered Agent is just hard to beat. But if you need heavy-duty legal docs, ongoing advice, and want everything in your legal toolkit, Rocket Lawyer wins on features. Pick based on what truly fits your business vibe. Craving more clear, straight-up comparisons like this? Seriously, bookmark this channel for your next business move. I've got your back whenever you need to make the smart call.